Good morning, children. I hope all okay. You are enjoying your studies and you are learning at home. Today, we will start our language class. I'm Shashwati ma'am here. And we will start our language class with chapter 3, singular and plural. In our last class, we had discussed about nouns and gender of nouns. So, nouns and gender of nouns we have completed. Now, today we will start with singular and plural. Singular and plural. That means numbers. It is called noun numbers. It shows how many things, how many nouns are present at that place. When we are learning this language, so there must be one language book on the table. But in bag, so many books are there. So some things we can count and that have one and another form is many. One form is called singular and many form is called plural. So what is singular? A noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing is said to be in the singular noun. Example: boy, girl, cow, chair, table, elephant, etc. Plural number, a noun which refers to more than one person, animals, places, or things, is said to be in plural noun. Example: boys, chairs, cows, tables, elephants, etc. Here are some basic rules through which we can change the singular noun to plural noun. Number one is add s. Like tree, trees, road, roads, bridge, bridges. Only see we are putting a s over there. Boys, girl, girls. Next is add es to change nouns ending with ch, dge, s, ss, x, z and zz. If these are present at the last of the word, then we have to add es. Like match, the word is ending with ch. So we will add es. matches. Same class. Last two words are ss. So class. We are adding es. Bush, sh. So bushes. Bushes. X, boxes, gas, gases. Number 3, if y is present at the last of the word, then we will drop the y. That means we will not write the y and we will add ies. We will not write the y and we will add ies, like baby, baby. So we will write babies, babies. Lady, ladies. But in some cases, if we will not drop y, we will write only s over there, like ray, rays. If there is a vowel before y, then we cannot drop y, like ray, ray, boy, boy. See, a, o, before y it is vowel. A, E, I, O, U is a vowel. If A, E, I, O, U, any one of this vowel is present before y, then we will only add s over there. Next, number 4 is when a noun ends in f or fe, we will drop f or fe. Drop means we will not write f or fe, we will just add ves. Half, halves. HALF, HALVES. Same as KNIFE, knives, we will not write FE, we will write KNIVES. It's a printing mistake over here. It will be KNIVES, knives.